Before working on your furnace, make sure turn off the power. This furnace doesn't have on-off switch button outside, so I turned off mine from the circuit breaker, and then lift up this cover to take it off. To locate the flame sensor is, you see that vertical looking wire right there? That's the flame sensor, and just use 1/4 inch socket wrench right there to remove that bolt. Just clean this sensor with sandpaper. You use the sponge too. Now it's working. A while ago, it would just come on and shut off, and there was no hot air coming out from the vents. And now I have heat.